In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a house for rent on Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website in your browser, then log into your account. Once you're in, tap or click the Marketplace icon. This is where Facebook allows you to create local listings, including rental property posts. After Marketplace opens, look for the option that says Create New Listing or Sell. Tap that, and then choose the category that best matches your listing, such as home for rent or rental property, if that option appears. Choosing the right category is important because it helps people find your listing more easily when they search for rentals. Next, upload your property photos. Try to use clear, high-quality images that show the home in a clean and appealing way. It's a good idea to include the exterior of the house, the living room, bedrooms, kitchen, bathrooms, and any other important spaces. Good photos make a big difference because they help potential renters understand the layout and condition of the property before they contact you. Once the photos are added, enter the property details, fill in the title, monthly rent, and property type, whether it's a house, apartment, or condo. Add the number of bedrooms and bathrooms and include square footage if that applies. You'll also want to enter the property address or general location, the availability date, whether the place is furnished or unfurnished, and the pet policy if needed. The more complete and accurate this section is, the easier it is for renters to decide if the property is a good fit. After that, write the description. This is where you can explain the property features and amenities in a little more detail. You can also mention nearby schools, shopping, or public transportation, along with parking availability and lease terms. If you want, you can also include your preferred method of communication, but avoid sharing unnecessary personal details in the listing itself. Now confirm the location of the property, make sure the map pin is correct, and adjust it if needed. This helps renters understand exactly where the home is located and prevents confusion later. Before publishing, review everything carefully. Double check the photos, rental price, location, and all of the information you entered. Make sure everything is accurate, complete, and easy to understand. When everything looks good, tap or click Publish to post your rental listing on Facebook Marketplace. And that's how to post a house for rent on Facebook Marketplace.